Hello everybody, welcome back to Joystick. We're continuing directly from whatever we were doing before.
Alright. A or B?
A's to jump, right?
Yeah.
So it's probably B.
I think it's A. Let's do
Wait, do the left trigger. Never mind. Press B. I have failed you. It was... Why would it be A, though?
Because A's jump. Jump goes up, I guess. This is the rationale. It'll take like 5 seconds to get back up there.
Alright, Jelix, super speed this bitch. We're going around at the speed of sound. Got nowhere to go, gotta follow Mario. I got a text message, I wonder who it's from. It's from a cutie, and she says that she is done with me. Oh. Oh. And we're back!
Yay! Let's get the shine spread this time, too.
Yeah. Starting the timer. Shine Gedu. Alright. That took no long. So anyway, that whole thing I said during the double speed thing, it wasn't true. The cutie's right here next to me playing the game.
Mwah.
Oh, if you didn't, you guys, I don't have face cam, but he'd kiss me right on the peen.
The penor, not the penis. Don't be ridiculous.
Dude, what did you just say?
The penor, not the penis.
What's the difference?
One is better.
What? One is better?
Yeah.
Which one's better?
I don't know, that's up for debate.
Master debate?
Yeah. The secret of the harbor.
I'm getting sleepy, guys. I didn't go to bed till 3:30 last night because I was trying to record something. Turns out I lost all the audio. Surprise, surprise, no matter how much new shit I get, I managed to fuck things up. But anyways, I was up late trying to record something. Then I had to wake up and go to work, and I only got 5 hours of sleep, and then I worked 8 hours.
On plus side, we did get blue corn.
I mean, that is the plus side. Oh wow, you took out the wind. I guess water does beat airbenders.
Oh yeah. Oh, I can't jump off that.
Why not?
I don't know.
Are you gay?
I have a plan.
You gonna use the sewer system?
Yeah.
That really did nothing.
Exactly. I was just test.
That looks like those spiders you see during October. You know, like the big like orb weavers with the scary ass abdomens.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about, right?
I think so.
Oh, Jelix, put up a picture if you can find it. I mean, you probably, because you hate yourself, you'll look for like a few hours before you give up.
Yeah, playtime to look while I try to get back up.
You are killing it right now.
I have a plan.
Like, literally killing it. You've murdered him. I'm calling the police.
No, I can pass the test, Mrs. Puff. Wait.
What I learned at boating school is... Well, yeah, why didn't you just do that? Oh, because there's a plank in the way. You can't land on the sign, apparently.
I really shouldn't have taken so long.
Yeah, dude, you said you were good at this game, and I'm starting to think you're a liar.
Oh yeah? You know what I think? I think you're right.
Well, you just really gave up real quick on that, like, argument. Dude, just go back on the ship. Get on... Oh, fine. Do it your way, mister. I know everything, and you know nothing. Hey, I'll be right back.
Just because I didn't say it doesn't mean you're wrong.
Just entertain everyone. I'll be right back. Oh, I just dropped everything.
It's alright. Oh, while Jelix is gone, I will resonate you, or I'll serenade you.
Resonate you?
Oh, shut up! I'm not good with human words.
That's right.
I'm like Mark Zuckerberg.
Yeah, you are a lizard person. You are straight up a robot lizard person. Like freaking Lyric from Sonic and like whatever. That's some good.
Yeah.
That's some good liquor right there.
By liquor he means liquid. By liquid we mean water.
Yeah, liquid water. Nice job. I do like how well the mushrooms look in this game.
Yes.
Compared to like a 2D sprite from 64. God, I haven't played 64 in forever. Mario 64.
It's been like 64 years.
Oh my god, that was an awesome joke. Don't fall off. You know, it's like so much easier watching you play.
As opposed to...
And yeah, like, and trying to come up with commentary while I'm trying to focus and play. It's hard. Oh god, you scared the baloney out of me. Like
I'm just trying to keep you on edge.
there's like literally Oscar Mayer coming out of my skin. Why specifically my skin? I don't know.
You said I scared the skin off you, right?
Yeah, I said you scared the baloney out of me.
Oh. Well, where else is it going to come out of?
I mean, I
If it
guess
came out of your mouth, that'd be gross.
yeah, that's be vomit. This is like really messing with me because that looked a lot farther away because it was small, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that sweet spin jump, bro. Oh, God. Yeah. We're just like flying through this, aren't we?
Yeah. I'm pretty good at games.
I mean, you keep saying that, and I'm starting to believe it.
Yeah.
God, I am really tired.
Yeah, please.
Oh, I already said I went to work today, right?
Yeah.
I was there with Cameron and this other guy and another dude, but Cameron was the most important one there.
Yeah.
It was a pretty good day. I started getting a little loopy though towards the end of it because I'm so tired.
It's okay.
Caleb, I have a confession to make.
What's your confession?
I farted.
Oh no.
Please don't die.
I'll try not to, but you
No
know.
promises.
No promises.
Oh, my freaking headphones keep falling off.
Oh, they're freaking out because of your headphones.
Do 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 do.
I noticed all this is just the same song, but remixed for different themes.
Is it really?
Yeah.
This isn't Bianco Hills.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god, you're right. How could I have been so blind? Also, fucking, Jizzface is back.
Yeah.
I shouldn't have said that. I meant to say, like, something nicer, like Acne Boy or something. Like, I specifically remember that I've completely forgot what I was gonna say.
You remembered something.
I mean, I remembered that something, but I forgot what I remembered. You ever have that problem?
You forgot to remember to forget.
Yes? I don't know.
Alright, here he is. Let's go get him, boys.
I was gonna say Acne Face, because remember he was Blooper, what's his face? Oh jeez, that was really loud. I'm glad we have headphones in though, because like it's like we're actually there, you know what I'm saying? You grabbed the wrong thing.
Well, I didn't mean to.
You
That's the
failed
kind of
us.
person he is.
You must find a way to fight it. I'm pretty sure we found a way before.
He whacked me, but in doing so, he
Oh
destroyed
no,
his
give myself the
face.
hiccups. Ew, that's actually kind of gross.
Stop.
Dude, do you hear that though?
What?
Like that slapping is really loud.
Yeah, it is compared to like everything else.
Yeah. I wonder if it's coming off that way in the capture.
We'll have to squeeze his bits.
He blooper blocked you, bro. Was that a joke?
I think so.
I don't know. No, I just grab his
Goodbye,
arm.
your tentacles.
Oh, that is violent. That is like disgusting and violent.
And now we can get him.
Find another way to fight. Oh, did he slap you?
Yeah, but in doing so, he also ripped off his own face.
I mean, I think you ripped off his face, let's be honest.
Well, if he didn't slap
Why
him,
was it up there, of all places?
maybe that's where he squirted it out at?
You just had to find logic in it, didn't you?
Yeah.
Can you grab the shine, please?
Yeah. Oh yeah,
Oh,
I'm getting hurt
you're
now.
making me very nervous.
But now I have all this goop on my face. Looks like a bigger mustache.
Your mustache is out of control, man. We shouldn't have killed that guy, because you know how much free ink we could have got from him? Like, a lot.
Your printer costs a lot of money.
Yeah, right? Like, I'm in college, and I have to print a shit ton of papers. And it's just, like, it's a lot. Like, I go through, like, a cartridge in, like, a month. And I'm not sure if that's good or bad, to be honest. Alright, so guys, confession time. Last night I broke down and ordered myself a Nintendo Switch. It was like $277. I got it used or something like that, and like I couldn't say no. And I also pre-ordered the new Smasheroonie. It doesn't come out till like freaking December of whatever this year is.
So put in the comments who you would like to see in Smash Brothers.
Oh shit, that's the end of the episode. Subscribe, becoming here today to unlock future content, and we'll see you whenever we do next. Bye! You're gonna drown.
That'll be fine.
Alright.